everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I'm excited because I just received my October Birchbox for the month, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty different and cute. It's got like some flowers on there, some mushrooms, a TV. I'm not really sure what the whole theme or vibe is for the box today. Before we get started on the unboxing, I just have a few little housekeeping things I wanted to bring up. First, there are several giveaways going on our channel right now. Those are always linked in the description box if you have not yet entered. And I know I recently brought up in a poll about my 7,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm sorry I have not posted that yet. I've been really trying to come up with something good, and I wanted your feedback. I was thinking maybe like picking up 2 of the new Anastasia palettes, and you're like, what one? Because there's been like 5. I was thinking I like the Carly Bible one. I'm not like a huge fan of Carly Bible or anything like that, but I think the palette's super pretty. So if you guys would like that, or maybe I'll do the subscription thing, I don't know, I have to figure it out. And also, I've been getting some messages that people are being unsubscribed or are not getting notified of my videos, and I really never bring this up or ask you guys this, but if you guys don't mind just double checking to see whether or not you are subscribed down below, that would mean the world to me. And if you are subscribed but having trouble like getting notifications, then there's always the option to hit the notification bell, so hopefully you'll get notified. But YouTube's been acting wonky, so I mean hopefully that works, but that is something to do, so thank you. I don't mean to be annoying, but anyways, let's jump into the unboxing. So Birchbox. Birchbox is a beauty subscription, my very first ever subscription box actually. I've been getting it for over 6 years, probably going on 7 now. So for new subscribers, it is $15 a month. I do have a referral link that will save you $9 off your first 3 months, so I will link that down below. And Birchbox now offers a bunch of different options per month. So they have certain curated boxes. I actually selected one this month, but they have like between like 4 to 6 usually. Curated boxes you can choose between, so you can know exactly what you are getting. You also have the option to have it be a complete surprise, or you have the option to select between a few samples so you know one thing coming, or you can swap your box out and get a product that's featured for the month. I think they even have an option now that you can just not get your box and get Birchbox loyalty points instead. I believe that's an option, correct me if I'm wrong. And what Birchbox points are is that means you can spend money in their shop. So they have a great shop. I love shopping on the Birchbox website, and they always have really good sales, so you can use them that way. But hopefully that is enough information. I guess I should say mostly what comes in this box are like sample size items. I have gotten like 1 or 2, maybe 3 full size items in the past. And I do know what's coming in here, but I kind of forget. But I chose this curated box for 1 item, which I'm sure you guys will know once you see it. But let's get unboxing. So when you open it up, there's a little card on top. It says trick or treat. It says the treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare routine. Because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs, it's like creating your own personal magic potion. This chart breaks down the different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. Oh, I love this. So it talks about mist, tonic and toner, essence, elixir, and serum. I remember I was really confused about what essence was when I first heard of it. I'm like, wait, I need to add something else to my skincare routine. So I'm just gonna read that one. I won't read everything, but the essence, it says, what is it? It's a fluid slightly more viscous than a toner that deeply nourishes and moisturizes, and why to use it. It has a high concentration of active ingredients that penetrate deep into your skin to build your moisture barrier. So this is what it looks like. See how there's a column for each. So there's a lot of information on here. I think that is amazing. It goes from thinner to thicker consistency, so this is really useful. I like that. And on the back, it talks about the products you get and their full-size pricing. So it says after party. I guess after party is the theme this month. And it says we're gearing up for the holidays. Halloween may be coming up this month, but the winter holidays have a way of sneaking up on us. Boo. Never fear. We'll add exclusive new sets, limited edition boxes, and products in our shop every week to help you cover everyone on your list. Awesome. So it looks like I have 6 items in here, and then it like labels certain things. So that's cool. I like how they did the sheet this month. Looks very informative. And then this is what we see. So there's one other piece of paper in here. It says, just for subscribers, get a free extra box when you gift Birchbox. That's great. So Birchbox does make a good gift. I think subscription boxes in general are great gifts. So if you gift someone this, then you also get a free box. So that's awesome. And there's also a $5 off code in the back. So cool. So I can't remember like what the Curio box like name was, so each of the Curio boxes have like a theme or a name to them. But the first thing I've seen here is by Hum Beauty. It says Hum Beauty Search from Within. This is a deluxe 3-day sample of the daily cleanse that helps clear your skin and body from toxins. So it's like a vitamin for your skin. And it says on here the full size, which I'm guessing is a 30-day supply, is $25. And it says this 100% natural supplement detoxifies and cleanses your liver, bowel, kidneys, lungs, and skin with ingredients like chlorella, algae, beetroot, and milk thistle, to name a few. To use, take 2 capsules daily. For best results, consume them in between meals. Cool. So I will now show you the product is why I chose this. It's the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I actually have this on my face today. I have a full size. I love this stuff. I think lactic acid has really helped my skin. So like I said, I do have a full size, and the full size is $105, which is ridiculous. But I do travel, or like have some travel potentially planned soon, so I wanted to have a smaller size of it. So on here it says deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. I stopped using it for a little while because I was using just like certain products, but now I'm using, like I got a feel of those, so I incorporated back with those products as like another step in my routine, and I could tell the difference when I use it. I feel like my skin is more plump and like radiant. I love this stuff so much. So let's see, where is this on here? So this is from a female-founded brand, Sunday Riley. The full size ranges from $105 to $158. So there's a size even bigger than the one I have. It says this best-selling potent serum exfoliates away dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, and evens out hyperpigmentation to boost your glow. And it says apply a thin layer over clean skin and follow with the moisturizer and SPF. And I do use this before my moisturizer and SPF. I actually use it after I use my oils and stuff like that, so I use it the way they suggest, so that's great. It says start with twice a week and work up to daily. I never had any problems just starting off with it daily, but definitely follow that advice if you have sensitive skin. The next thing is by Huara, I think, or Juara, I think it's Huara, J-U-A-R-A. This is their coconut lippy hand and nail balm. It hydrates and conditions the hands, nails, and cuticles. And this is also by a female-founded brand, and it is $20. It says, this fast-absorbing moisturizing balm hydrates, firms, and plumps hands and treats nails and cuticles. And I just want to clarify, this full size is $20, not this sample. But I think I love having stuff like this in my bag. I'm totally going to put this in my purse because I can't stand when I go out, and I'm going out tonight. It's trivia night. But like when I wash my hands, especially out of the house, like those soaps are pretty harsh, so I love to have some hand cream in my bag to use afterwards. Ooh, I didn't realize we got 2 of these. So we have 2 of these eye pads. I like these. I haven't used them in a while. This is by Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. This is a hydration booster for the eye contour area. And I definitely need some more eye masks. I have a couple, but I have like way more face masks than I have eye masks, and I run out of these so pretty quick. So the full pack is $18, and this is a bestseller at Birchbox. It says our go-to routine for these babies: stick them in the fridge for 10 minutes, apply one beneath each eye, and relax for 20 minutes for hydrated and deep puffed under eyes. I'm definitely going to use these super soon. Another thing I'm really excited about, this is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I've gotten this before and I really love it, and this is by This Works. And their brand name is correct because I think this does work. I've been having trouble sleeping lately, so this is coming at the perfect time. But this is just a spray that you put on your pillows, your sheets. Like, it has a very nice calming scent. It's been proven to make people fall asleep faster and have a more calm sleep, so I'm really excited to use this. I'll probably go through this super fast. But the full size is $29. It says clinically proven to aid a good night's rest. This calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray on your pillow right before bed, and then there's some directions underneath it, which they pretty much said, but it says spray directly onto your pillow, then lay back and take a few deep breaths as you drift off. I'm so excited to use it. We have one more item. This is by Dr. Lip. This is the original nipple balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits, 100% natural. And that is what it looks like. I've used this in the past and I really liked it. And it's called Nipple Balm, but it's for your lips. Full size is $14.50. It says this multi-purpose natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothes sunburns, tames unruly brows, and nourishes thirsty cuticles. Wow, it has a lot of uses. I've only used it on my lips before, but that's nice to know that it helps with sunburns and stuff like that. Since I normally mention it in every video, I haven't yet today, but I live in Florida and I get burnt easily, so I will probably use this. But I think this was a good month. I mean, like I said, I chose this box, so I kind of knew it was coming, even though I kind of forgot some of the items. But getting Sunday Riley always excites me. You guys know I love it, and I've been really wanting this pillow spray again because it really works. I will totally use this. I'm not sure if I will use it in the other ways they list it, but I'll at least use it as a lip balm because it is really nourishing. I've tried it before. Love this. 100% natural. The hand cream, I already explained why I love this. It's going right in my purse, and I can't wait to use these eye masks. I'm bad about taking vitamins, but I'm okay with doing this. I'll do a little bit more research. I know not everyone wants to get this stuff, but I knew it was coming in here. And it looks like it's just a quick run over. It'll be fine. I just always like to take my vitamins after I eat because I have a sensitive stomach, and vitamins just kill my stomach if I take them on an empty one. So definitely take it with food if you're sensitive like me as well. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. Again, I will link below Birchbox, that referral link that gets you $9 off, along with any giveaways going on. And again, give me some feedback. I would love to hear what you guys think about the ABH palette, yes or no, or subscription, I don't know. Either way, I think it'll be fun. But love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!